Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how we make our pilau rice. Here we have the spices here, some bay leaf, green cardamom here, star aniseed, cinnamon stick, black zira, and we have some fennel seed. Now in this pot we have 4 cups of Basmati rice, 4 normal cups Basmati rice, some pure ghee, and some garlic and ginger paste. Now we need to wash the rice. Right, here we are. In the pot we put 1.5 pints of water. Now the chef is going to tackle the other bits and pieces in there. There you go. The mixture of garlic and the ginger paste is going in. Pure ghee. And all the other ingredients going in at a time, yeah. Next we're gonna do a little mix the rice well in. Right, we just put it on the cooker now to cook. We're gonna put the lid on the top and we leave it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, our rice started to bubble up now, so it won't be long till our rice gets cooked. In the meantime, you need to stir the rice a bit so it doesn't stick. So the chef is stirring the rice. He'll do a little nice and gently stir. And the lid back in. Now we've put it on a slow gas to cook for the last stages of our pilau rice, and now the chef will put some color. So now he's dipping a bit of red color, bit of green color. These are food colors, by the way, and bit of orange. Now we leave it on a very slow gas to cook the last procedure of our pilau rice. And we are, ladies and gentlemen, our rice is finished. Now Chef Imran is going to show you, we're going to mix the colors in. So he's mixing the colors in the pilau rice. Right. We'll go the other side on the tail and we'll serve it. And here we are. I'll just show you how you make our pilau rice. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and please log into my website and please click the like button on the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.